Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, this is a completely new beginner's method to make money in 2021. I'm also going to show you a brand new traffic strategy that I've never talked about before on this channel. Now, I've talked about the actual traffic source, but I've never actually talked about this strategy. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. Now, with this method, you can literally start today. You don't need a website. You don't even need any money. And you don't need to create content. This is one of my favorite traffic strategies. I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. Now, this is crazy because you're gonna go viral with this traffic strategy, but it's not only viral, it's also quality traffic. I'm gonna prove to you guys that as well. Now, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically sending people, right? You're sending traffic to an offer that you want to promote, right? It can be any offer that you find that you're interested in, that you want to sell, right? So in this case, you're sending traffic to, let's just say, this program right here, whatever it is, right? And then they go to this page and they're linked to you, right? Because you send them your specific link and they, people go to this page, and if they buy, you actually get paid, right? And that's the best part about affiliate marketing, is you can sell already proven products and get paid. I love this business model. This is the exact business model that took me from 0 to 6 figures within 9 months, and I was able to quit my engineering job. Now, if you guys are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, side jobs, how you can drive traffic to your websites, to your businesses. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Now, step number 1 is we need to choose a product that you know for a fact is selling. Okay, this is the most important part. Typically, I'll say you need to find a niche. You need to find like something you're interested in. With this method, we can typically find just a product that we know is selling. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, there's a few options that you can do. You can find a private affiliate program, which takes a little bit more work, but you can typically find a really high converting program if you go and do the research. Now, I'm going to show you how to use it, how to find a product, using a network, okay? Because with a network, basically they already have all the products for you. It's really easy. You just go to the network. So something like a ClickBank or JVZoo, Warriors Plus, any of those networks are going to have products that are already proven to sell. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it using ClickBank, okay? So if we go to a website called clickbank.com, this is one of the biggest affiliate websites out there. Again, what this is they have products from every single niche, weight loss, make money online, crypto, Forex, literally everything you can think of, right, is on ClickBank. Now, what you need to do is go and sign up for a ClickBank account. Really easy to do. Just fill out the information, fill out your bank account info, or put your address where you want them to send a check. They'll typically send money with a bank account or with a check, okay? So anyways, guys, fill this out, and then it's going to take you to the marketplace, okay? Once you're in the marketplace, we want to find a category that we know is just blowing up, right? So typically health, wealth, and relationships are going to be the top 3 categories within ClickBank, okay, or just affiliate marketing in general. So this isn't a complete ClickBank tutorial. I'm just going to kind of go over it real quick, guys. I have a ton of videos going over ClickBank if you guys want to go check that out. But we're going to just choose a niche. Let's just say in the health and fitness, okay? This is a very popular niche, especially with the traffic source that I'm about to show you. And I'm going to prove to you guys that this is just going viral. It's insane right now. Okay, so we're going to go to health and fitness, and we're going to find a product within this niche here. Okay, so inside of here, typically it'll rank with the highest products. Okay, with the best products out there. Now, I want to go a little bit more specific. Okay, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to just type in keto, because I know the keto niche is just blowing up right now. I know for a fact, okay? So there's a ton of offers in here that we can promote, keto resources. Now, what I typically like to look for is something with a high gravity. So I'm going to go over here and just go to gravity. And let's see, custom keto diet. Okay, so this is huge, guys. Look at this, 331 gravity. Typically, you want this at least a 50 and above, okay? That means that over 300 affiliates are promoting this product and they're actually getting sales, okay? So that's what that means, okay? Over 300 affiliates have gotten a sale within the last month, all right? So the higher the gravity, the more converting this offer is. So this is really, really important to understand. Now, what you do to actually promote it is obviously you have to sign up for a ClickBank account. You just go to promote, And then inside of here, you can just get your custom link. Okay, this is the most important part. So this link, if people go to this link and they click on your link and they buy, you get paid. All right, you get at least $41 in commissions. They probably have some upsells. You can probably make more money. If you want to learn more about the whole product, I highly recommend that you go here to the affiliate page where you can learn about the actual product. Now, I'm not going to go too much into that. I want to show you this viral traffic source that's just blowing up right now. Okay, so there's basically a new traffic source. And guys, the thing is, we want to start driving viral traffic. Okay, the thing with affiliate marketing is the hardest thing is driving the traffic, right? So I'm going to show you this new traffic source and how you can do it with viral traffic. Now, with this new traffic source, you can see in the last 7 days, 1.5 million views in the last 7 days, okay? And these are new accounts, guys. This is the crazy thing about this traffic source, okay? And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, a lot of these are very high top quality traffic sources, right? You got United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada. I mean, these are the top countries that you want to target, right? These are the people that have money. Okay, you're not just targeting, a third world country with non-quality views, right? These people are ready to buy, all right? So really important to understand, it's not only viral traffic, but it's quality as well, okay? So guys, the traffic source is TikTok, okay? Now, I've talked about TikTok a ton on my channel. This is something that I've been able to pretty much blow up my business with TikTok, my YouTube channel. But I want to show you how to use TikTok in a different way, okay? And I've been recently doing this just kind of on the side, is creating viral pages on TikTok, okay? So I want to show you something real quick, okay? Now, again, we're going to be talking about the keto niche because look at this, guys. If I do a hashtag keto instead of TikTok, 2.5 billion views, okay? Now, the crazy thing about TikTok is not only are a ton of people on the platform, there's not a lot of people selling on it right now. There's not a ton of marketers. So this is a perfect opportunity to start getting a ton of traffic. And I'm going to show you how to do it without even using your own content at all. Okay, so what we want to do is create basically a viral page. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is go to TikTok and start uploading these viral videos. So again, we're going to do it in the keto niche. We already found our product. Like I said, let's just promote this product here. And what we want to do is actually go to Instagram and find videos that are already proven, okay? So we're going to go and type in keto and find these pages here, okay? So you can see tons of keto keto pages, right? So we can go over here, keto meals recipe, and we can go to all these videos, okay? This is a picture here, but we want to find videos that are just blowing up, right? So scramble your eggs, or whatever it is, right? Whatever your niche is. In this case, I'm doing the keto niche. So what we can do is download all these videos, okay? So you can even go to this video and you can download the videos. And then what we're gonna do is re-upload them to TikTok, okay? Because now we can just use this content and re-upload it to our own pages, okay? So what you wanna do here is just copy this link right here. Just go to this link here and then go to the actual go to this website called ingrammer.com, okay, ingrammer.com. Basically, it's just an Instagram video downloader, and what you can do is type in the link right here, just copy and paste the link here, and what it's going to do is it's going to download the video for you, okay? So what you want to do is download this video, and then you want to upload it to TikTok, okay? So you want to go over here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so you can actually upload it on the desktop, which is really cool because you can do this on your computer now. Actually, this was an option a few weeks ago. Actually, this is really cool. So what I can do here is upload the video. I already downloaded it for you guys. So I'm going to go to my downloads here. I already downloaded the keto video. It's going to download, and then what we want to do is add a caption. Now, what I like to do is even look at some of the captions they're using here. Whatever the video was, I think it was. Let me see which. I think it was this one here. So. Don't know how to start? Okay, let me see. Want to lose 5 or 10 pounds? Let's start with that. Let's just use that, guys, because I just want to show you guys how we can do this. Okay, so lose 5 to 10 pounds in the first week alone with keto lifestyle. And then what I like to do is spark engagement. So I'll do something like comment keto if you want to lose weight. Okay, that's just something I like to do, guys, because what this does is it sparks engagement, right? More comments, more algorithm, you know, more people are going to the video. You just get way more engagement. I have a ton of TikTok algorithm videos. You guys can go check that out if you guys want to check out more on the algorithm. But basically what we can do is just type in keto here, keto recipes. We can do, oops, let me see here. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, hashtag keto. Any of these, right? Keto recipe, keto cooking. We can just do keto. Let's do keto, and then I like to put as many hashtags as I can in here. Keto coach. Okay, looks like we're filled up, so we only have 150 characters here, so you can see we're good there. So that's it, guys. That's basically all you do. You can choose a thumbnail here. I like to choose the most enticing one, right? So maybe this one right here, where it's like showing the actual food. Let me see. All right, showing it somewhere right here. Yeah, there we go. So boom, that's the cover. Basically, this is like the thumbnail, right? So I like to show the best part of the video. I like to leave it as public, and then I always leave these here, okay? This is important here. I've done a lot of videos on TikTok here, but guys, you want people to comment. You want people to duet this. Basically, they're gonna, it's a way they share their video, and this is another way they share as well, okay? If you're in the TikTok world, you understand that these are just ways that they share. You'll understand that once you're in it, what a stitch and duet is, okay? Really, really simple. But basically, that's it, guys. All you gotta do here is post it, and it's good to go. Now, how are we gonna drive traffic? Well, obviously, we know these videos are proven. They're getting thousands and thousands of views. And right now, TikTok is just blowing up, guys. I mean, I've been able to grow my following from 0 to almost 100,000 followers. And, you know, it's been about 6 to 8 months now. But, you know, at first I was able to grow to like 30,000 in like the first couple months. Okay. And then I kind of took a break. I stopped posting. But look at this. I mean, TikTok is just blowing up my business, blowing up my account. Now, the main goal is how are we driving traffic to this page, right? Because we want to promote this option here. So what you want to do is you want to hit promote, copy this link here, copy this hop link, and what you want to do is add this in here. Okay, this is the link you want to put. Now, what you want to do is create a page based on the niche, right? So, you know, keto, you would want to do something like keto diets, right? Or something like that if it's available. But what I'm saying is you don't want to be posting like keto and then maybe woodworking and then like gardening. You don't want to do that. You want to be very specific with your niche. You don't want to just go and just post a bunch of random videos, right? So if you're going to do the keto niche, make sure to post relevant videos, okay? That's going to be really important, especially with TikTok. Now, the way you're going to drive traffic is you're going to attract people. They're going to go to your page here, and they're actually going to click your link, okay? You want to make sure you put a description in here. You want to say, hey, I can help you lose weight with keto, right? Know what the product offers, right? So it says custom keto diet, right? So we can go over here and say, do you want a custom keto diet? Check out this link right here. I'm going to give you a free diet or whatever the offer is, right? And then you can go in there and send them to your ClickBank offer, okay? Now, guys, this is a free way to get started. You know, you start driving traffic, you start getting people to those links. Now, if you want to get serious with this, I highly recommend that you do something like this, which is a little more advanced. This is something I teach inside my courses, inside my mentoring programs. But you want to have some sort of a way to actually build up leads, right? So a lot of the times, basically, you're sending people directly to the offer, right? Most people will send it directly, you know, from TikTok to the actual offer here, okay? So, you know, that's kind of a mistake because then you can't build your email list, right? For me, I like being able to build my email list. So this is really important, guys. I do have videos on this. I have some free trainings, but if you want the complete you know, business model, how I went from 0 to 6 figures, I'm going to leave a link in the first link down below in the YouTube description. It's going to take you through a free training on how I went from 0 to 6 figures with affiliate marketing and quit my job, guys. So guys, I hope this video was of value. Trust me, TikTok is blowing up right now. So you guys need to take advantage of this traffic source. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day on affiliate marketing on how you can make money online. Guys, please subscribe to the channel and you guys have a blessed day.